Hello everyone, welcome back to Dude's Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the top 3 best 3D printing filament that can help you create stronger, smoother, and more impressive prints. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these filaments can upgrade your 3D printing experience. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Tideboom Metallic 3D printing filament. The Tideboom Metallic 3D printing filament is designed to deliver both durability and a visually striking finish, making it a great choice for hobbyists, makers, and professionals who want their 3D prints to stand out. With its premium metallic color, this filament creates an eye-catching surface that adds a polished and stylish look to printed objects, whether you are creating decorative models, prototypes, or functional parts. Each spool contains 1 kilogram of filament, providing plenty of material for multiple printing projects. This generous quantity allows users to experiment with different designs and complete larger prints without constantly needing to replace the filament. Made from PETG material, the Tideboom filament combines strength and flexibility, making it a reliable option for a wide range of applications. PETG is known for its durability and resistance to impact, while still maintaining enough flexibility to reduce the risk of cracking or breaking during use. This makes it suitable for both practical components and aesthetic creations. The filament is also optimized for high-speed printing, allowing users to complete their projects more quickly while maintaining consistent extrusion and smooth layer adhesion. Its stable flow helps ensure clean and precise results, reducing common printing issues and improving overall print quality. With a standard 1.75 mm filament diameter, the Tideboom Metallic filament is compatible with most popular 3D printers on the market. This universal sizing ensures easy setup and reliable performance across different printer models. Combining durability, smooth printing performance, and an attractive metallic appearance, the Tideboom Metallic 3D printing filament is a versatile option for anyone looking to create strong and visually impressive 3D printed objects. Coming in at number 2, we have the Sunlu 3D printing filament. Sunlu 3D printing filament is designed to deliver reliable performance and consistent results for a wide range of 3D printing applications. Manufactured with environmental protection in mind, this filament is non-toxic, making it a safer option for both hobbyists and professionals who frequently work with 3D printers. Its carefully developed material composition ensures a balance of strength, flexibility, and durability, allowing users to produce detailed and high-quality printed objects. One of the standout characteristics of Sunlu filament is its bright and vibrant color output. Printed models appear visually appealing with a smooth and polished finish. The filament also features high transparency and a glossy surface, which enhances the overall appearance of prints, making it suitable for decorative models, artistic creations, and professional prototypes. Sunlu filament is engineered with low shrinkage properties, helping maintain the accuracy and shape of printed models during the printing process. This contributes to excellent dimensional stability, reducing the chances of cracks or warping while the material cools. As a result, prints maintain their intended structure and detail even during longer or more complex printing jobs. Durability is another key feature of this filament. It offers good toughness and is not easily brittle, allowing printed models to withstand regular handling. In addition, the material provides strong resistance to acids and alkalis, which helps improve the longevity and reliability of finished prints in different environments. The filament also demonstrates strong layer adhesion, ensuring that printed parts bond well during the extrusion process. Sunlu 3D printing filament is compatible with most FDM 3D printers that use standard filament sizes, making it a versatile choice for many users. Whether printing everyday functional objects, creative crafts, or industrial prototypes, this filament supports a wide range of applications. Its consistent performance, visual quality, and durable properties make it a dependable material for producing precise and attractive 3D printed models.
And finally, at number 1, we have the Anycubic 3D printing filament. The Anycubic 5 kg PLA 3D printing filament is designed to deliver reliable and consistent performance for FDM 3D printing enthusiasts and professionals. Manufactured with precision, this 1.75 mm PLA filament provides smooth feeding and stable extrusion, helping users achieve detailed and accurate prints across a wide range of projects. PLA, or polylactic acid, is one of the most widely used materials in 3D printing due to its ease of use and environmentally friendly composition. The Anycubic PLA filament is made from eco-friendly materials, making it a suitable option for users who prefer sustainable printing solutions. Its stable chemical properties allow it to print at relatively lower temperatures while maintaining strong layer adhesion and good surface quality. The 5 kg spool offers a large filament supply, which is ideal for long printing sessions, large models, or continuous production without frequent spool changes. This high-capacity design is especially useful for makers, designers, and small workshops that require consistent material availability for extended projects. With a standard 1.75 mm filament diameter, it is compatible with most FDM 3D printers on the market, including models such as the Anycubic Cobra S1C and QDK 3C. The carefully controlled diameter helps ensure steady extrusion and reduces the risk of clogging, allowing for smoother prints and improved dimensional accuracy. Anycubic's manufacturing process focuses on maintaining stable filament quality, helping printers achieve clean layers and refined details. The filament is suitable for creating prototypes, decorative models, functional parts, educational projects, and creative designs. Its printing stability makes it a dependable choice for both beginners exploring 3D printing and experienced users working on complex designs. The filament is also distributed through EU and US warehouses, allowing for faster shipping and easier access for international customers. With its combination of eco-friendly material, reliable extrusion, and large 5 kg capacity, the Anycubic PLA filaments provides a practical solution for a wide range of 3D printing applications. Ready to upgrade your 3D printing game? These filaments can make a big difference in your print quality and project results. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more awesome tech content.